Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today. My Walmart delivery just came, right, and so I got a helmet. Now if you saw, I've been working on my gas scooter, and I don't want the police to bother me, you know, for not having a helmet or yada yada yada. So I decided to get a helmet. This was the cheapest certified helmet I could find on the internet. This was on Walmart for $22, I think, or something like that. So, like I said, this was the cheapest one I could find that was certified, because I did want to stay with certified just because, you know it's tested to, withstand a certain amount of force. Styrofoam looking stuff in here. This is the shell that protects your head that will, will disperse the energy when you fall. So that's why, I got something like this. They had a nice sweat saver. Yes, they had all these other ones, but they weren't certified and they were in nice colors. So I wish that the companies were able to just have all the helmet styles certified. This way, I had more color to choose from, because I was going to go to ProTech, or I checked that, Skate 8, whatever you want to call it. I checked out that, and I checked out the S1 helmets. S1 was the only one that had a medium in stock in blue, so that was my only option, but it was $90 for that helmet, which is, kind of expensive that I'm just getting into fixing my scooter up, you know what I mean? I got a medium. My head measures 22 inches, roughly about, 22 and a quarter. It's cool because it comes with a bag. Check this out. So it comes with this really bootleg bag. But I mean, hey, I can't complain. So I don't know nothing about this brand, but this is a really cool bag that I can use. It's made to be used, obviously to protect the helmet when not in use, because, helmets usually get kicked around and all the other, so they usually will get, messed up. So, that's kind of what it is in the bag, and then you can, obviously pull this shut and then it goes shut. So there are no instructions or anything like that on it. This didn't come in a box, so it is just going to look like that. So I think, oh look, I think this is a chin, right? This is like a chin guard or something like that, maybe, I don't know. Alright, so this is a little loose on me, but I plan to wear mine probably with a hat. I like to wear a hat under my helmet because I glasses, and it absorbs the sweat. And then I can just, throw the hat inside the wash machine. So that's the reason why I'm a fan of a hat. So it has an adjustment right here. So that kind of made it a little bit tighter, which is cool. You do want it, I have no hair. So obviously, it seems like it's a little bit more difficult to, stay on because it's moving with my skin. Oh wow, that's easy. You just pull this tab to make it go up. Very simple. I like that. So pretty much, yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like from the back that you can expect. You can see, I'm pretty sure it's going to protect my melon here. It feels pretty tight. Look, see, it's not really, look, I can't even lift that off. See, look, that's pretty good. So that means, when I'm going to get into, if I ever do get into an accident, you're going to see, this won't come off, and it'll protect my head on how this is supposed to work. So I'm really happy. I think this was a good buy for the price, for what I needed. This is, like I said, this is for bike and skate, the certification for it. So, I mean, nothing crazy. They do have new helmets that are rated for 28 miles an hour, or, whatever. So it's supposed to have vents in here, so when I'm cruising, it should shoot the air in here. It'll then shoot it over my head and then come out here. So that's kind of why these vents are here. And then these ones are these are the exhaust, I guess, and this would be the intake. And then it's supposed to cool your head. I don't know how that's going to work. It's not hot out for me to test it. So I'm going to throw on my hat that I usually wear. So let's see what's up if I could fit this on with my hat. Alright, see? You see that? Oh man, I got like a headache just from doing that. But that didn't move at all, and I was shaking my head just to show you. Alright, so here's the tag on it if you guys want to, whatever, look it up for yourself. That's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the Rongbenyuan. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's something like that. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on this helmet that I got. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.